Hello students, welcome back. Let us continue with chapter 10, circles, exercise 10.5 on page 184, question number 2. So I'm going to read out the question for you and then I will relate it to what I have done in the given to find and the diagram also. So a chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. I have in this circle with center O, I have chord AB which is equal to the radius. So where are the radii? I have AO and BO. Correct? AO and BO is equal to AB. So I have, let's mark this, AO is equal to AB which is equal to BO. Also, I need to find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc. So a point on the minor arc. See, this chord AB is making minor arc ACB. So I need to find this angle ACB and also a point on the major arc. My major arc is ADB. So and the point is D on this major arc. So I need to find the measure of angle ADB. So what two things do we need to find out? ACB and ADB. So let's see how do we do this. Now, I have chord AB and minor arc ACB. So arc ACB is making reflex angle AOB. Correct? Let me do it with another colored chalk. ACB is making reflex angle AOB at the center. Therefore, angle ACB is going to be half of reflex angle AOB. So we need to find the measure of angle AOB. How do we find this? If you notice, triangle ABO is an equilateral triangle because all the sides are equal. Therefore, this angle here is 60 degrees. Now, this entire circle is how much? We know that the entire circle measures 360 degrees. Therefore, AOB, reflex angle AOB would be 360 minus 60 which is 300 degrees. Therefore, ACB will be half of 300 which is 150 degrees. So, this angle out here is 150 degrees. Similarly, this arc or chord AB is subtending angle AOB and ADB at the center and the circumference, correct? Therefore, the angle subtended at the center is twice the angle subtended at the circumference. So, this angle, that is 60 degree, AOB, the inside angle is twice of ADB. So, ADB is going to be half of 60 degrees which is 30 degrees. So, this angle out here will be 30 degrees. Now, let us go ahead and write the proof. So, I will say proof. In triangle AOB, AO is equal to OB is equal to AB. This is given. Therefore, triangle ABC, AOB is an equilateral triangle. Correct? Therefore, angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. So, angle AOB, which means the inside angle out here, 60 degrees. Therefore, reflex angle AOB. So, I have AOB, this is 60. Therefore, this angle will be 360 minus 60 which is 300 degrees. Therefore, reflex angle AOB is equal to 360 degrees minus angle AOB which is 360 degrees minus 60 degrees which is 300 degrees. Let's mark this as 1 and this as 2. This is reflex angle AOB and this was for angle AOB. Minor arc ACB subtends minor arc ACB makes reflex angle AOB at the center. Correct? Which means that this angle out here ACB, this angle here is making this angle. Therefore, ACB is going to be half of reflex of AOB. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to half reflex angle AOB. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to half into 300 degrees. Therefore, angle ACB is equal to half of 300, we know is 150 degrees. Let's mark this as Roman number 1. So we found the measure of length ACB. Now let's go ahead and find the measure of length, measure of angle ADB. So chord AB subtends, or we'll rather write it directly, angle ADB is equal to half angle AOB. So I'm erasing this one, and now I will explain you, or rather I'll just explain it here only. I have this chord AB, I have this center O. So AB is subtending an angle at the center, this angle AOB, and also this angle ADB at the circumference. Therefore, ADB is a half of AOB. So since angle ADB and angle AOB are subtended by chord AB at the circumference and center respectively. So erasing this section for now. Therefore, angle ADB is equal to half of 60 degrees. Angle AOB is 60 degrees. We have proved this in statement number 1. Therefore, angle ADB is equal to half of 60 is 30 degrees. And this was from 2. The reflex of angle AOB was from 2. So we'll mark this as Roman number 2 because this is our solution, second solution to the problem. So please take a look. So finally, what did we get? Measure angle ACB as? ACB was 150 degrees. This is 150 degrees, half of 300, and ADB is half of the angle inside. The angle inside is 60 degrees, so ADB is 30 degrees. Thank you for watching this video.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.